Well, this is our 6th annual Ides of Bark. It is actually, you can tell, a magnificent day, and the kind of day that we all look for really every year to come on out and enjoy and relax and bring your favorite four-legged friend, and then meet with a lot of other four-legged friends. So just a variety of different things for really of any interest for your pet, all for you.
There's dog adoptions, dog education, teaching people how to be a better pet parent. We have vendors anywhere from small businesses that are just starting to larger businesses. Just to come out here with the dogs and the people that are, the dog owners, because the pets bring their parents out here, just to see the dogs have a good time. That's what makes it for me.
So I'm happy to be here at Ides of Bark because one, we are hiring for an animal protection police officer position with the Fairfax County Police Department, and I'm happy to engage with the community because I think it is an important job that a lot of people don't know about, and animal welfare concerns, animal-related calls for service are very important to people, especially in this area, and I like to communicate with people and tell them what services we provide and that they can call us if they need anything.
Really, it's a great county turnout. Not only our county protection police and county police, we have our firefighters here. We have Park Authority, which is a partner with the Mount Vernon District, with my office, to help organize this every year. We also have friends of the animal shelter. We've got folks who do rescue dogs. Fairfax County loves its dogs, and Mount Vernon especially loves its dogs. We have big dogs, we've got little dogs, we've got yappy dogs, we've got big barker dogs. We're here to take care of our four-legged friends, and the humans that come with them, I think, are further engaged with their other friends and neighbors. I've been hearing that all throughout the afternoon here. Just the number of people, I haven't seen you for a while, and how you doing, and just making that kind of connection.
Please save the date because this is so much fun for everyone. A lot of freebies here, a lot of happiness, a lot of kids here having fun. So please come out and support us next year. We'll let you know as soon as possible when we're having it.